WULF stock analysis and price predictions for Monday. For Thursday, is it a buy or not? Watch this very brief short 1 minute video till the end to find out. Looking at Terawulf stock, actually this is so sick and I'm looking to just take it further higher. Having done well over 44,000 videos, I've seen what's working for me and what's not. And with WULF, I have so much receipts in the Discord as well with 8 results. The one thing that I'll tell you is that I wanted to see a double break to take things further up, and I saw that. And since the price is already sort of delivering, the price shouldn't be going anything lower than the getting inside point that I had, right? Because then it's going to be break-even hit. It's a guaranteed plus 0R. In the meantime, I can also pull down here and show you this proof as well, which again was made 2 months ago, right? So at the 2 months ago it was 353, now we're at 5, slowly pumping back up, and my target here is going to be 562. And then long term, you know, it's all about the man managing the trade game. Absolutely, I love this shift, and I'm also aiming for 931. So I'll keep you updated. So if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.